We talk a lot about the fun side of flying and all the adventures that we have, but there is a downside too. Long hours, being overworked, frequently missing family events that can lead to some issues with mental health. And recently, we're hearing more and more stories of cabin crew and pilots who are taking their own lives in their hotel room when they're away on trips. In today's episode of the podcast, I'm talking to Charlotte Crocker, who's a mental health advocate and a cabin crew trainer. She has some really interesting things to say about how we can help people who are suffering with mental health issues down road.